Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we shall be talking about how to solve a subtraction of two multiplied numbers much faster than normal. Let us begin. Allow me to show you what a standard subtraction of two multiplied numbers look like. AB minus CDI. The formula to solve it quickly is just this. A minus C, then multiplied by B plus C. This ought to be much more simple than simply multiplying the whole thing. Now, then, let's practice. Example, question number 1. 86 times 47 minus 46 times 7. Now, let's substitute the numbers with their corresponding letter. A would be 86, B would be 47, C is 46, and finally, D is 7. We also need to check for the requirement, which would be that A minus C is equal to the difference of B and D. So, let's check. 86 minus 46 is 40. This would be A minus C. 47 minus 7 is also 40. This means that the requirement is fulfilled. All right, now, let's begin the process of solving the equation. As you can see, the formula for solving this kind of equation is A minus C times B plus C. So, we substitute the variables with their corresponding numbers. As such, we get something like 86 minus 46 times 46 plus 47. That would be the formula used for this expression. All we need to do now is to solve this expression. 86 minus 46 would be 40, as we all know. Then, 46 plus 47 would be 93. So we would have 40 times 93. If we multiply, we would have 3,720. As such, our final answer is 3,720. Now that we are done with our first example, let's move on to the second. This second equation is 168 times 121 minus 98 times 51. We will now match the numbers with their corresponding variable. A is 168, B is 121, C is 98, and lastly, D is 51. We will now need to see if this equation fits the requirement. So, let us substitute. 168 minus 98 is 70, and 121 minus 51 is also 70. This means that the requirement is satisfied. We will now solve this expression. As we recall, the formula for solving this equation is A minus C times B plus C. All we need to do is simply replace the variables with their corresponding number. As such, we get 168 minus 98 times 121 plus 98. If we solve that, it would be 15,330. Therefore, our final answer is 15,330. Let's move on to our final question. Example number 3. Example number 3 is the following. 73 times 55 minus 33 times 15. We will now substitute the numbers with their corresponding variables. A is 73, B is 55, C is 33, and D is 15. As you should know by now, you will need to check the expression to see if the requirement is met. So let's check. 73 minus 33 would be 40, and 55 minus 15 is also 40. Therefore, the requirement is met. So, let's move and solve the expression. As you can see, the formula is, as always, A minus C times B plus C. Therefore, we would have to replace these variables with the numbers. If you do that, you would have 73 minus 33 times the 55 plus 33. All you got to do now is to finish solving this expression. If you did that, you should have gotten 40 times 88, which would be 3,520. As such, the final answer is 3,520. That would be it for today's lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe if you like it and would like to see more math shortcuts.